glands, I don't know. Which sounds nice. We can live with that. Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be filming the Glossy box unboxing for January. If you watched my last unboxing last month, you'll know that this is my sort of make or break box with Glossy box. If I don't like what's in here, I'm probably just going to cancel it, to be honest. I've been sort of disappointed for the last few months, but I've sort of just carried on with it out of like pure nostalgia. I've had Glossy box for like years and years and years, and I don't know, I just feel bad cancelling it. But if this is a load of old shit, I'm cancelling it. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel as well, and you would like to subscribe, that'd be great. I do like unboxings like this, I do Lush videos, things like that. So if that's something you'll enjoy, then please subscribe. I think that's the wrong side. It might be this side, whichever side. Okay, so let's get into it. So this month is just a normal Glossy box. There's nothing fancy. There's no special box or anything this month. Damn it, I might be sucked in. This looks all right, this stuff. Okay, let's just crack on. So the first thing we've got in here is, okay, well this one's a bit lame, but the rest of it looks okay, is a Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. Comes a little, it's quite small. I mean, it's like a sample size. I feel like you'd get this in like a hotel or something. It smells nice. It's quite a manly scent. I might see if my boyfriend wants it, because I don't really use anything other than Lush now because I'm sad. Then we have, what is this? Oh, nice. This, I believe, is by a brand called, I want to say that's Otto. And this is a hand balm. It's quite a nice, thick, moisturising hand lotion. I quite like that. It smells very herbally, sort of a bit hempy. Oh, that's cute. It's a CBD one. That might be why it smells a bit hempy. Yeah, so at the bottom there it just says 300 milligrams CBD. Oh, lovely. That'll be nice. Then we have a, ooh, this looks nice. Is by Groom. This is a pulse point roller for deep relaxation. So I'm guessing you just, ooh, look, it's got a little metal one as well. This looks fancy. I'm guessing you just pop that on your, that smells nice, on your temples, your, whatever this bit's called, glands, I don't know. And it must chill you the fuck out. That smells really nice. That's a very masculine scent, but I can see how that would relax you. That's exciting to use. I'll probably put that by my bed and like use it before bedtime. Next we have a set of eye gel pads. This is by Glow on Fifth Beauty. Never heard of that brand. And it's just 2 under eye patches to remove dark circles, well, to help with dark circles and puffiness. Nice, can't go wrong with those. Then the main big thing in here, which looks fun, is this little number. I'm guessing it's a shower scrubby thing. I did think it was a tanning mitt at one point, but ooh, that went real weird on my nails. Oh, I don't know about that. Really weird with like textures and stuff and feelings. You know when you've got like those old school duvets that you probably had when you were younger with the netting on? When that used to go against like my toenails or my, oh my god, I thought that was a spider on me then, it's just this. When it used to go against like my toenails and my nails, it used to just set my teeth on end. And this is doing the same. This is by So Eco, and it's a 2-in-1 exfoliating glove. Nice. I mean, I'll get this in the shower and maybe it'll soften up a little bit. I think I'm just being a big baby. I'll probably be fine putting my hand in it. But yeah, that's cute. So what did we get in this then? Let's be logical. So we've got a glove, a hand gel, a shower gel, a pulse point roller, and some iPads. That's the best box they've done in a while. So I don't know. I'm going to do it again, aren't I? I might try another month. That month wasn't too bad. I'm quite happy with that. It seems like they've put a bit more thought and effort into that than they have the last few boxes. This seems like it's more of a chilled, like a New Year chill out type box to like relax you and stuff, which sounds nice. We can live with that. So you can stay for another month, Glossy Box. One more month. Well, until you get shit, you can stay. Yeah, so that is January's Glossy Box. Not too bad this month, quite happy with that. If you guys got it, let me know what you guys think. As for the next videos coming up, I'm still waiting on my Blemming Boxing Day haul, and today Lush released, sorry, I'm talking about Lush by the way, released their Valentine's Day collection, and I was like on that 7 a.m. this morning, not 8 a.m, like right on it to order, place my order. But I'm hoping that will come soon as well. But like I said, I'm still waiting on the Boxing Day one, so I don't really know what they're playing at. But you will get hauls of that when it comes. And I've also bought some like caddies and storage for in my bathroom, and like a little tiered shelf. So we're going to do a organising video of my products. So we're going to put it all nice and neat in the shower and the bathroom and just make it look cute. And I thought I'd take you along with me, why not? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, a bit of a shorter one for you. Like I said, please subscribe if you're not already, that would be wonderful, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.